Hi, I'm Kathy Roig. I live in Asheville, North Carolina, and I'm a weaver. I started weaving in 1980 after my husband bought me a small table loom for a wedding present. I had always loved to make things. I made all my doll clothes, I made my clothes. I love to sew, and I love to make things out of stuff in the yard, and I just really always enjoyed making things with my hands. So then when I got married and got my loom, I took a class on how to use the loom, and I fell in love with that process. And I kind of figured out then that that's what I wanted to do. For me, weaving has been such an integral part of my daily life. You know, I don't really separate it from what I'm doing in my life with my family. So it's part of why I like it. Part of what I really love about what I do is that I use my hands and I throw the shuttle back and forth to create a piece of fabric. And I think the folks here at this land understand that and are valuing that aspect of my work and others. To be able to pursue the craft that I love, it's a real blessing for me to be able to do that. I feel quite fortunate to be able to do that. I can't imagine doing anything else, actually.